Hello, welcome back to the new video. In this lecture, we'll talk about the malloc function. We'll get also the comments over here. And the malloc function allocates bytes of memory from a system and returns a pointer to the newly allocated memory. To using this function, we have to include also the header that will be the new one, the lib. And in following example, we'll create a short program with malloc function, which will allocate the memory for a single integer. We'll write our program. It is malloc using the size of integer type semicolon. Now for the pointer, we will get the value 5, let's say. And now we'll use the function printf. The value is will run, and this is our result of the compilation. We'll write the program, we have the result which was compiled, but still missing something. It is a good practice to check for when we're using the malloc function, we have to use the if statement to check if the malloc working. We'll add if statement if p and the curly brace for it, close curly brace, we compile, it is the same result, and also our program, it is incomplete. We have to use also the free function. If we don't use the free part, we can have the memory leak, and if the memory are leaking, we don't use it anymore because it's not available. And for avoid this, we'll add the free function semicolon, run again, and that it is our program. Thank you for watching. See you next time.